Hey guys, when I started out as a beauty editor, I did not know a lot about makeup, but I learned so much on the job and got amazing makeup tricks from some of the best makeup artists in the business. And one of the best tips I ever learned was how to do a smoky eye, and I've followed it ever since. And I have to give credit to Beyonce's makeup artist at the time, Mally Roncal. She's the one that showed me the light, and now I'm gonna share it with you. My first trick in terms of applying a smoky eye is figuring out how to use the palette. So you can use any color combo for the smoky eye that you want to do, whether it's purples or the typical grays and deeper shades. But the rule of thumb is really that you apply the lightest shade all over, and then you go to the darker shades with each step. And I'm going to show you how exactly you do this. And because Mally's the one that taught me, I'm going to use her makeup palette to show you. So the first thing that you want to do, this is her all over like primer, concealer that you put on your lid. So you can start with that step, but typically most palettes don't have that. So I'm going to start with the lightest shade in this palette, which is a silvery shadow. And I am going to apply this all over my lids up into my brow bone. Now that I have finished applying the lightest shade all over, I am going to then do the deeper shade into my crease. The trick here is really anchoring your hand and using a swiping back and forth motion like a windshield wiper. With the deepest shade that you have, you can use this as your eyeliner. So all you need to do is take your angled eyeliner brush, get it a little damp, and then use this as your liner. Now, if you really want to make this more dramatic for an evening out, you could then add a liquid liner along the top lash line, or you could even fill in the lower lash line with a black liner. So I'll just show you the difference. One of the things that I love to do, which is another celebrity makeup artist trick, is to take the shimmer shadow that is on all over my lids and to just do a pop of it right on the inner corners of my eyes to really brighten up my eyes. And then when you have a smoky eye, I always love to balance it off with a nude lip. So you only have one part of your face that's really the star. And so I'm using this really great nude lipstick and lip gloss combo. So I'm gonna put the lipstick everywhere. And I'll top it with this lip gloss. And again, even with your cheeks, when you do a smoky eye, you always want to keep it bronzy and more nude rather than going for really bright pinks. So there you have it. I hope that my makeup artist trick that's really helped me throughout the years helps you as well.